You can demonstrate diffraction in sound waves using a loudspeaker, 2 pieces of hardboard, and a microphone attached to an oscilloscope. Notice from the overhead view that the microphone is close to one piece of hardboard and off to the side. The interesting thing is that as you move in a second piece of hardboard, you actually detect more sound than when that second piece of hardboard isn't there, because the sound waves diffract through the gap, there it is, and you get more sound waves reaching the microphone than when that second piece of board wasn't there. A lovely demonstration. To set this up, you want a signal generator connected to a loudspeaker to produce the sound. You want to set your signal generator on about 5000 Hz, which will give a wavelength of about 7 centimeters. You then need to connect a microphone to the input of your oscilloscope, and I recommend using the external trigger on the oscilloscope and running that directly from the signal generator. That will ensure that the oscilloscope triggers even if you have a rather small input from the microphone. You can then move your second piece of hardboard in and out, changing the width of the gap, and show that the sound wave diffracts and that you get more sound wave reaching the microphone with the second piece there with an appropriate sized gap.